Today I'm quickly comparing two very different cameras, the Panasonic Lumix L10 and the Ricoh GR4. And honestly, they're built for completely different types of shooters. The Ricoh GR4 is the definition of pocket power. It's tiny, super discreet, and that APS-C sensor delivers seriously clean, detailed images. Perfect for street photography or anyone who just wants to blend in and shoot fast without thinking too much. The Panasonic Lumix L10, on the other hand, is way more of a creative tool. It's bigger, yes, but you get a Leica zoom lens, a proper EVF, and a fully articulating screen. It feels like a mini pro setup in your hands. Where things really split is video. The L10 absolutely runs away with it. 4K up to 120p, Vlog, and serious hybrid features. The GR4? Pretty basic, more of a photo-first camera. So yeah, if you want portability and image purity, go Ricoh. If you want versatility and video power, the Lumix wins easily.